All right, so step number one that you want to do is just first loosen up all the lug nuts here on your wheel, and then after that what you want to do is jack up your car. Obviously right here we got the passenger side, the front side wheel that basically we're gonna replace. Once you have removed the wheel from the actual hub assembly, basically one thing that you want to do if you're doing this on jack and jack stands, roll that wheel underneath the pretty much the subframe of the car, and that's just in case if you're underneath the vehicle, or if not and the jack fails and pretty much it drops down, it'll drop down on the wheel and not either crush you if you're down there, or it'll not mess up your strut and whole brake assembly, rotors, you know, the whole shabam, all that. All right, so next thing that you want to do is just remove the brakes. So one thing that you want to do once taking off the actual brake caliper is you want to support it. Right here I just put zip tie up here just so you don't want to put strain on the actual brake hose. That's basically why you want to support it up here, or you know, just you don't ever want to have this dangling or anything like that, any tension on the brake hose. After that, just want to remove the brake pads, remove this brake caliper housing, and then after that, well, it's just removing the rotor, and then obviously taking off this bolt here, and then from there we'll see the pretty much the wheel hub bearing assembly. So in order to remove the remaining caliper housing, pretty much what you want to do is right there, you got that bolt right there, and let's see if we can try to get, yeah, that bolt right there, you want to get those loose, and pretty much that will pretty much just let go of this whole brake caliper housing. And after that, you're obviously going to take out the rotor, and then next will be this bolt right there. So once you finally take off the old wheel hub bearing, what you want to do is grab your new one and start to put it in and make sure everything lines up perfectly. So pretty much what I'm doing right here is I'm just screwing in the 4 bolts right there and there, which is just securing the wheel hub bearing. Right here. Just gonna first start them by hand, then just continue with the ratchet and snugly tighten them. Alright, so we're just gonna put that right there along with the center nut, just like that. We're gonna start it with the hand. There's a little bit of grease on there, so we're gonna clean that off. Just start the thread. We're just gonna get the impact. On there, and then what you want to do is just put the little clip in there just to retain this bolt there. If I could just find it. Oh, there it is. Yep, just like that. And we're pretty much just gonna bend it right there with a hammer or something, just like that. Okay, and after that you pretty much just completed the whole install. What you want to do is just obviously put back the brake rotor and put back the brake caliper along with the new brake pads. So we're just gonna get the brake caliper assembly and we're just gonna bolt that up to there, get this one there, and we're just put back brake pads on, and that should complete your install.